Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I grilled this beautiful chicken you're seeing right here. I did this for small chops. Yes, for small chops. You can see how big my chicken is looking. Yes, because one pack of my own small chops goes for 1,200 naira. That's why the chicken is looking so mighty. So if you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you are welcome to the family. Stick to the end of this video and don't forget to like and comment. Let's start. So after washing my chicken, I will add pepper to my chicken. This is pepper mix, garlic, ginger, pepper and shombo mixed together, and I blended all together. So after pouring the quantity I want, I will go ahead to introduce my spices. A lot of people ask, Mama, what do you use? Which spice are you using? What that and what this? So today I'm showing you all the secret. This is Amawanda curry, Amawanda thyme. It's as if I'm advertising for them, but no problem. It's just for you to get the whole recipe right. So just your thyme, your curry, and again Benny. I don't joke with this. Benny, I love this spice so much. I will add my Benny, and I will also add my kitchen glory. Right now I'm introducing my kitchen glory. I love this also. I only use 3 different spices with extra with my curry and thyme, my Mivina, Benny and kitchen glory. But right now Mivina is not in the market, so I go for only 2. I don't want to add another. I'm okay. So I used my knorr cubes. So I'm going to open and I will dissolve my hands and pour them inside. So right now I will start mixing everything together. I'll take my time to mix everything together. I still need to add little salt to it. See how big the chicken is looking. Just take your time to mix everything together. Just sprinkle little salt to it, and I will continue till I'm okay. Okay, I'm cool. I'm okay right now. So I'm going to take it straight to the freezer. Yes, this is in the night, Saturday night. I'll be using it in the morning time. So I love leaving my chicken to marinate in the freezer overnight. So I'm going to cover the pot and put in the freezer till the next morning. I'm okay, so straight to the freezer. So the next morning I'm ready to cook. So I'm going to cook it half done, just to cook it a little before I'll start the melting, because I'm going to grill the chicken. So I don't need to cook it for a long time, just a little, and I'm cool. So I'll pour my onions and I'll take my time to mix. This pot is as if it's small, so I need to turn it to the bigger pot, the biggest one. This is the second to the biggest I have in the house, so I'm going to turn it to the biggest. So I'm done transferring to the biggest pot, so I'll allow it to just boil a little and I will remove it. Just a little and I'm cool, just a little and I'm cool. So if this is your first time of watching my video, feel free to join the lovely family by subscribing. Click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting. I'm done, so I'm removing it right now. So right now, this is my paprika, this is my soya spice, this is salt, this is vegetable oil, and this is still my mixed pepper. That's pepper, shombo, garlic and ginger, and manure cubes. So you can see our chicken looking pretty okay. I've removed it from the stock. So this is my oven tray. I use local oven, so I'll be using my foil to cover it up, and I will use vegetable oil to sprinkle and rub and massage on my foil, so that when I start grilling the chicken, it will not be sticking to the foil paper. This is how I mix my sauce for this chicken. So right now, first thing I'll be adding is my pepper mix. This is a mixture of my pepper, shombo, and I'll be adding my nor cubes, paprika, vegetable oil, and I will stir and stir a little. Stir and I will sprinkle salt, soya spice. You can get it from supermarket or from where aboki, people that sell soya. So I will test to know. I added a little salt again, and that was all. I'm done. So my sauce is ready. So I'm going to dip my chicken and I will massage it. How will I explain it? I'll just rub the chicken anyhow you want to do it. You want to dip, you want to rub, you want to massage. Just make sure you coat the sauce with your chicken and you place on your oven tray, ready to be grilled. Okay, right now I'm done. I'm going to take it straight to the oven. Like I said before, I'm using local oven. Feel free to put in any oven of your choice and you grill. This is my local oven. So right now I'll be turning interval of 15 to 20 minutes. I'll come and turn and check again and again till the chicken was ready. Look at that, looking so beautiful. Just imagine, just look at that. Look, if you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, please subscribe to my channel for more detailed video. Subscribe, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alerts of my new. To my old subscribers, thanks for coming. Look at the end product, the result, so beautiful. Thanks, bye.